Welcome to the channel everybody. Today in this video I'll show you how to airdrop on Android. So we're going to be airdropping a file from Android to iPhone and from iPhone to Android as well. Now here in front of me in the screen I have Android on the right side and iPhone on the left side. So let's go ahead and start. First, make sure you have both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once you ensure that is done, go ahead and open the browser on Android. In this case I'm going to be using the Google Chrome browser. Once you open the browser, go to this website called airdrop.io. Once it opens, go to your iPhone, tap on the browser and go to the same website. As soon as you join the website, another icon pops up right under my icon on Android. That is the iPhone's icon. Just tap on it. Tap on Files. Select the file that you want to airdrop. You can choose any type of file. I'm going to send a document. Tap on Send and then tap on Save from the iPhone screen, and that's it. Easily airdropped the file. Now to do that from iPhone, just go ahead and tap the icon of the Android phone. I'm going to send an image, so go to your library, tap on the image, tap Add, tap Send, and then tap on Save from the Android screen. And just like that, as you can see, I have airdropped this file to Android. And that's how we do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions like this one, and thanks for watching.